Welcome to another episode of Celebrities in the Kitchen, and today we have FALZ the bad guy. What are you cooking, Daddy?
International stir-fried designer pasta jalapeno.
Hey, boy.
Those are oil into the pan.
Hey, listen, you are cooking waiting. Wait, why am I seeing different colors of pepper? Why is the pepper looking like a Ghana flag? Broccoli. I won't be
a little bit of garlic.
Waiting concern broccoli concern our food.
And we introduce everything that we have.
I thought you were a Yoruba guy, Daddy. Why are you cooking whether not Italian, Chinese, Indian, Congo dish?
Mix everything together. Make sure you stir very well. Introduce our spices, mix herb, thyme, all-purpose seasoning.
The spice no get name.
Oh, have a look at this, my God.
I don't know what is this.
Actually,
look at
from Hitler, which is where
it's looking like coats of many colors. Oh, now macaroni in the cook. Green macaroni. All this macaroni where is able to waste
is the final finishing touches.
Now, so did the cook. I didn't knew.
Not looking like this. Then you have done.
I don't trust this food, Daddy. I don't go lie give you. What is he cooking for us again today?
For today, we
bread,
special whiskey French
bread and tea. What else? Daddy, chop bread and tea. Now that's how it's done. Why are you bringing all this? Waiting.
Slice of bread. And of course, our
whiskey. Don't tell me you're gonna use this whiskey. Waiting cause I bread and alcohol.
And mix everything together. Some people used to add salt to their own, but what happened? Are we making chicken stew?
No. Yeah, don't catch me. I'm trapped. First, now you do me like this.
Bread inside the
wait, man, bring something
place it
for
inside
you.
the pan. This video is
add and bullets, add alcohol, mix everything join. FALZ cooking and brewery company. You don't come to barman for fishing. Waiting concern whiskey and food.
It's a very simple recipe. Hi guys,
what are we cooking today?
Today we are cooking asharo.
Ashaka. I beg my Yoruba people, which one be asharo? As an Igbo boy, I didn't know that one.
Up to today, I'm still searching for you. I put on my apron as a professional.
Hand glove for waiting. You want to do calisthenics? You dey use hand gloves slice on you. Hey, babe.
Is still smelling on your hand. I have to protect myself.
I love you, okay, Goga. Just focus on music. This is not for you.
As a
why is this pepper
boy,
big?
This
It big past my
tin tomato we also join into the mixture.
Why are you blending tin tomato? Una too like blender. Oh, Daddy FALZ, you follow them.
Exactly. Into the pot.
Pepper blender. Yoruba people they too like pepper.
Two of them to simmer.
What is this that is adding? Okay, onions. Yeah, okay, fish.
Introduce
tomato. What are you cooking? Is it stew?
To give us a very delicious taste.
Hey, listen, Nemo, you add all that maggi.
Make sure you introduce everything into the whole mixture. Allow you to cook together for about 30
porridge jam. Oh, na porridge jam be the asha grow.
Spot.
Una dey use steamed tomato cook yam.
I fry my turkey. That one
even get mine the fried turkey.
That's not the
fried turkey.
But I cannot waste my food.
Damn you. Daddy, watch plate. Oh, just watch plate for us. Focus on your music. Leave this cooking for people wasted. Hey, babe. Damn you.